If you're considering going from the Pixel 4, the Pixel 5, or the Pixel 6 Pro to the 7 Pro, I have found 7 good reasons why you should upgrade. Now, it is no secret that the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro were revealed in May, almost 6 months ago, and since then we have had a ton of leaks and rumors, but now we can put those rumors to bed with the events that happened yesterday. The first and major reason to upgrade from the older models to the Pixel 7 is Face Unlock. Face Unlock is back, baby, and it is a feature that should have never been removed. Now, what I'm worried about though is that there isn't any extra camera on the front or any scanning technology on the display. Now, I could be wrong, but it is basically the front-facing camera module as a scanner, which is pretty dope when you think about it. Now, is it going to be as fast as the Face Unlock on the Pixel 4 XL? I certainly hope not, but I am excited that this feature is coming back to the Pixel devices. Number 2 is the new design of the back of the phone. Now, while the front looks identical to last year, the back of the phone is where the main changes are. It's not much, but it is significant. We still have the horizontal camera bar, but the colors do not match the lenses anymore. It is not like all black on the Pixel 6 Pro, giving me that business in the front and party in the back vibes. Now, the camera bar now matches whatever color you get, and that brings me to the third reason to get the Pixel 7 Pro, and it's because it has new colors. There is the black, the silver, and the new hazel color, which is apparently everybody's favorite. Now, out of these 3 colors, silver is the best looking color, and you can thank me later when you get the phone in your hand. Number 4 is the front-facing camera. It has been improved over the Pixel 6 Pro last year, and it now shoots at 4K at 30 frames per second. Now, this is for those people that love those smooth shots when filming. And also, Google added cinematic blur when filming, adding a more dramatic effect when shooting video. It is clear competition with Apple and the iPhone's cinematic mode. Number 4 is the improved 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and super res zoom up to 30x. I honestly love how Google keeps improving on that telephoto lens, because it was no secret that it was the best digital zoom on the market with the Pixel 6 Pro. But with this, you're now able to get close-up quality shots even when you're very far away. It may be similar to Samsung's 30x zoom, but Google's new Tensor G2 chip and the AI enhancer will enable better shots with better quality. Now, the 6th reason to upgrade to the Pixel 7 or the Pixel 7 Pro is the Google Tensor G2 chip. This will bring better and faster processing to the photos you take, better battery optimizations, video improvements to the camera, and of course improvements on the already brilliant text-to-speech feature. There is also going to be a built-in VPN within the phone that lets you protect your private information when browsing and online transactions. There is also a new feature called Clear Calling, and this is new to the Pixel 7, which basically diminishes the background noise and isolates your voice so other people can hear you clearly when you're talking on the phone. And like always, Google has promised up to 5 years of software updates and security updates. The first generation Tensor chip was pretty decent, to be fair, but with many faults on launch day. But with a few software updates, it became stable, so I'm hoping for that smooth transition when the Pixel 7 Pro arrives to my studio. Now, while the battery capacity on the 6 Pro and the 7 Pro are almost identical with 5,003 and 5,000 mAh of battery respectively, I expect with the new Tensor G2 chip that the battery life would be a lot better. Now, the Pixel 6 Pro had average battery life at best, and Google said with the extreme battery saver we can get at least 72 hours compared to the 48 hours on the Pixel 6. Number 8 is macro focus. This is a first for Pixel phones, and if I'm being honest, the results looks absolutely amazing. With the help of an upgraded ultra-wide lens, it makes the tiniest details look epic. Again, this is similar to Samsung and Apple, so I'm kind of curious to see the quality of the camera. So to summarize everything on the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, there is a new Face Unlock as well as an in-display fingerprint scanner. There is an improved camera, especially when it comes to zoomed in images, and that new macro focus. Then it comes in 3 new colors for the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, so you have a lot to choose from. We also have the new Tensor G2 chip for software and quality of life improvements, and of course, the battery life. Now, when it's all said and done, are these things enough for you to upgrade your phone to the Pixel 7 or the 7 Pro? Comment below and let me know. And guys, if you like this video, click on that like button, and I'll be getting the Pixel 7, the 7 Pro, and the Pixel Watch next week, so make sure you're subscribed to see those videos. My name is KJOS, and I will catch you guys in the next one where I talk all things tech.